Welcome to Work Smarter TV. I am Maarten and in this video I will show you how to keep the header row from scrolling away. What happens when you have a large data set and you have a header row, you usually have it on top and you start scrolling, then you lose the first row. Ideally you want it to stay here and just only have this in the data below scroll. The way to do this is you select the row below the row you want to keep in view. You go to view and you go to freeze panes and click freeze panes. And now if I scroll down, it stays where it is. If you want to undo this again, you go to freeze panes and click unfreeze panes, and now it scrolls just with the rest of the cells. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. And if you want to receive email updates when I post a new video and get tips and tricks in your inbox on how to use Excel in a smarter way, head over to worksmarter.tv and subscribe to my mailing list there. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.